It is very important to work on your communication skills. Whoever you are listening me, maybe some of you have been so fortunate enough. You have got the opportunity to speak in English. Maybe you are from an English medium, or maybe you have watched many English videos. But most of the people I come across, they lack that early exposure. You understand? Early exposure. That early exposure where, we could have really spoken English, listened more English, but most of us, we didn't get it. Even I didn't get it. In this condition, it's very important that we should know some practical steps to improve our communication skills. These steps are super effective, but needs tremendous perseverance to achieve success. Guys, these steps are not that easy to be followed. You have to practice every time. And after practice, you might not see that change in yourself, because success needs time and perseverance. Perseverance means never give up. Whatever happens, never give up. Keep on practicing yourself. Keep on practicing. Things will happen when it has to happen. If we have a seed and if you put inside the soil, and every time we watch why it is not germinating, why it is not germinating, it will not germinate. It will germinate when it has to germinate. But we need to feel, we need to have that perseverance that yes, it will definitely. Every time you come here to present yourself, you are putting water to that seed. And every time you're working on it, you're coming and you are speaking, change might not come in early stages. Maybe you need to come every time and you have to speak. So always remember, you have to keep yourself working, because these steps will definitely help you if you have perseverance. Mr. Skinner said, a failure is not always a mistake. It may simply be the best one can do under the circumstances. The real mistake is to stop trying. It's very important that you keep trying, keep trying, keep trying. The more you try, the better you get. We all know Mr. Albert Einstein. He said, keep sowing your seed, for you never know which will grow. Perhaps it all will. Seeds will grow. You have to give time. If you want to be a wonderful speaker, you want to be a wonderful coach, you want to be a wonderful, public speaker, you have to keep your seed, sow your seed every time. We have heard that line, as you sow, so shall you reap. As you sow, so shall you reap. It's a very practical thing. The more you sow, the more you reap. So every time we all are coming here to become a wonderful speaker, wonderful presenter, every time we have to ensure that are we giving our best or not? So always keep giving your best self. Okay, let's go for the 4 steps which will improve our communication skill. The first step is immersion. The immersion. The first step is immersion. I said most of us lack early exposure to English language. Many of us, we didn't get opportunity to speak in English. Most of us are from, some non-English medium background. But we are coming here, we are practicing every day. We are giving our best so that we become effective every day. What is the secret of success? What is the secret of success? Have you ever tried to find it out? Think about it. What is the secret of success? Secret of success. We all know that story of, there was Socrates. When the Socrates was, one time the Socrates was a philosopher. When he was asked by one of his students that what is success, then Socrates said, I will not tell you what is success. I will make you feel what is success. Then what Socrates did, they went just middle of a river, and then he took that person who asked the question, he plunges the head of that person inside the water, and that person was basically, I think he was desperately needing the oxygen. He was shaking his body, and ultimately he came out. And he asked Socrates that, why did you do that? Then Socrates said, when you were inside the water, what you wanted? You wanted success. You wanted to achieve something desperately. Desperately. Now I'm asking a question to you all. You all have come here, joined here to become a wonderful communicator. But are you desperate? Are you desperate? You have to think about it. You want success in your life, but are you desperate to get the success in your life? It will be a matter of life or death. Success is not easy. When you know that when you will not succeed, you will die, then imagine what will you do to achieve that. Suppose people come to you and tell you that if you don't become a communicator, you will die. And then what you will do, that will be the success. That will be the journey to success. Success is easy, but it needs desperate. I think you need to be desperate towards your journey. That is success. When you are desperate to achieve something and it will be the matter of life and death, that is success. So when you come next as a public speaker, because today you all have to speak on a topic, you have to ensure that you have to be desperate to make your talk rocks. Search for the people who were there in the same journey. If you really want to be a wonderful public speaker, you have to search for the person who were there in this journey, because you need mentor. Everybody, even I need mentor. We all need mentor. Join support club. Join support club. If you really want to be a speaker, a wonderful speaker, you need to join support club. What is support club? A club where you can practice, you can do mistakes, you can practice. That is support club. Here IDQ Value Adder is working as a support club for you. Read, write, listen, speak, go live in social media. I've seen many people They want to speak in English, and whenever they call in their customer care, they talk in Hindi, they talk in Bengali, they talk in Marathi. No. If you are really desperate to be a wonderful communicator, call in English, talk in English, read newspaper, give time to English, because you have not given time to English for a long time. So now you have to compensate that time. You have to compensate that time. You have to make up for your early losses. You have to make up for your early losses. Because for a long time you didn't give time to your public speaking, for your English language. So you have to work more and more. So this is the step number 1, immersion. You have to get immersed into it. You have to work on it. I'm very happy that so many people you have joined in this executive communication. Why are you paying more for this? Because you know that you want to improve yourself and you really need something special, because this awareness, whatever you are learning today, it is going to help you to achieve your growth in life. Let's go for the next step. VMR. VMR. The VMR stands for Visual Mental Rehearsal. Visual Mental Rehearsal. This is very important. Visual Mental Rehearsal. You want to be a wonderful public speaker, right? You want to give a speech so that will be the best speech ever, and people will clap for you. So you have to do the visual mental rehearsal first. Visual mental rehearsal. What is that? We will do that right now. Please sit comfortably. I want to do one exercise. I'll tell you what is visual mental rehearsal. Please sit comfortably wherever you are sitting. Just close your eyes. Just close your eyes. Please do it honestly. Just close your eyes. Take a deep breath. And release slowly and gradually. Now imagine you are on the stage and there's a gathering of more than 3,000 people. You are on the stage and you have your microphone in front of you, and there are 3,000 audience. They are listening you, and you are giving a talk. You are giving a talk on winners never give excuses. You imagine yourself, you're using your voice, you're using your gestures. You're having a smiling face. You're giving your best speech. You see the audience, they are smiling. They are clapping for you. You can see the clapping. You can listen the clapping. You can feel the ambience. You can feel the ambience that you are rocking the stage. People are enjoying. Wow. You can listen only clapping. And everyone, they stood from their place and giving a standing ovation. Wonderful. You have done it. Now slowly and gradually you can open your eyes. How many times you do these kind of mental rehearsals? You have to understand this. Everything starts from here. If you want to get standing ovation from all the people, You need to start from here. You need to start from here. And it's very important. Do visual mental rehearsal. Do imposter exercise. It's a wonderful exercise. Do imposter exercise. What is this imposter exercise? Imposter exercise where you become something what you are not and you pretend to speak. Imposter. You pretend to be something. Suppose I am pretending myself to be an actor. To be an actor who has received an award, a Best Actor award. So I'm speaking in front of the whole audience. I'm so happy for this award. It was just impeccable mission that I started. I want to thank all my director, all my producer, all my co-actors. So what I'm doing, I'm doing a practice like an imposter. Many people, they say, I don't have anyone with whom I can practice. I think alone you can rock. This kind of exercise will help you a lot. If the mind is ready, body will follow. Always remember this. If the mind is ready, body will follow. It's very important. It's called VMR. Visual mental rehearsal. Whenever, before you give your presentation, your mind should be ready. Your mind should know what you're going to do. It should not be an accident for you that you have come here and you come to know the topic and you will speak. Your speech should be really effective. Okay, step number 3. Play the game now. Now the time has come. Today is the time. You will play your game. You cannot be a speaker just by being a spectators and clap. No, you cannot be a wonderful speaker. You have to play the game. You have to be a speaker. You just cannot be a spectator. You cannot be a listener. You have to play the game. If you want to be a swimmer, you just cannot watch people swimming. You have to get into the water and swim. That's so important. Play the game. Face the ball and hit. Face the ball means face the audience. Speak. Stay in the game. Put your skin in the game. Put your skin in the game. Find the stage and go on. Be the first speaker if it is possible, because I have never seen a first speaker talking nothing. If you be a first speaker, that shows about your confidence. Record your game. Try to record your performance. How you are speaking. Play to be confident, not just to win only. You have to play the game, not to win the game, but to be more confident, because the more and more you play, you will become confident. Play not to prove, but improve. Improve. The more you play, the more you come, the more you speak, the more you speak, the more you speak, the more you speak, you will see you are improving your speech. So all the best to everyone for today. Okay, we'll go for the last point. The step number 4 is review. Review the feedback. See your game. When you record your game, you see your game how you're speaking. That is the reason I record your presentation, so that you can see your game every time and you can review what went well and what went bad. Ask your coach how you can improve yourself. Don't be too harsh on you. If you don't play well, if you don't speak well, don't don't be too harsh. It happens, it's a part of the game. Good things take time, right? Good things take time. Till you are playing, you cannot lose the game. Always remember this. You cannot be a loser until you play the game. One time there was a lady who asked me, can I be a coach? Can I be a coach? Sir, tell me, can I be a coach? I asked her, do you want to be a coach? She said, yes, I want to be a coach. Then I asked her, will you follow everything, whatever you will be told? She said, yes, I will. Then there's no doubt you will never fail. You will only fail when you stop trying. Otherwise, you will never fail. Always remember this. Go for another review after a few days. So review is very important. Ask your coach, so that your coach always gives you a lot of input so that you improve more easily. So guys, these four points are very important. We have seen this. First is immersion. Get immersed into it, because you have not given your maximum time into it. So now you have to compensate for that. VMR, visual mental rehearsal. You have to think in your mind. Then only you will follow. Play the game. It's a wonderful game. To speak in front of a lot of audience is a wonderful game. And you will never lose. You will always win and improve yourself. And yes, your review is important. Ask your coach. Last but not the least, always remember, self-improvement is highly addictive. It's highly addictive. When you will see you are improving, you will stay in the game. And one day you will see you will improve like anything. So now the time has come when I'm going to listen everyone. And first of all, I would like to